Okay, this is my improvised version of the garbage disposal grinder, and I have the disposal running into a 5-gallon bucket on the bottom, and I've mounted a 5-gallon bucket on the top as the sink portion of the disposal. And here's the inside of the bucket, basically just a regular looking sink. I'm doing this outside, and there's this grass and whatever, so the charcoal can blow in the breeze. This will take these chunks down fairly quickly, since this is a 1 horsepower continuous speed garbage disposal. So I ground up those the 5-gallon bucket of the pellets fairly quickly, and I have a slight amount of more to do. Alright, so here's the difference between the two. That is the ground in my right hand, this one, and this, this is the pellets in my right hand, this one, and this is the ground that we just did in my left. And you can see it's all the way down to air float and very, very fine mesh there.